In today's fast-paced world, finding innovative and unique ways to make money can set you apart from the crowd. While traditional jobs and mainstream side hustles are well known, there are numerous underrated ways to earn extra income that many people overlook. In today's video, we'll explore some of these lesser-known methods, providing you with simple and actionable ideas to boost your earnings. Number 1. Renting out storage space. Do you have unused space in your garage, basement, or attic? Renting out storage space is an easy way to make money without much effort. Platforms like Neighbor.com connect people who need storage with those who have extra space. It's a win-win situation. You earn money, and someone else gets an affordable storage solution. Additionally, you can offer specialized storage for items like boats, RVs, or seasonal equipment, increasing your earning potential. Number 2, flipping thrift store finds. If you have a knack for spotting hidden gems, consider flipping items from thrift stores. Look for vintage clothing, unique home decor, or rare collectibles. Clean them up, take appealing photos, and list them on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Poshmark. With a keen eye and a bit of research, you can turn a small investment into a significant profit. To maximize your success, focus on niche markets and stay updated on current trends and demand. Number 3, teaching a skill online. Everyone has a skill they can teach. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, speaking a foreign language, or crafting, there's a market for your knowledge. Websites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses. Additionally, you can offer one-on-one lessons through platforms like Zoom or Skype. Creating a series of mini courses or workshops can attract a wider audience and provide continuous income. Number 4, pet sitting and dog walking. For animal lovers, pet sitting and dog walking can be a rewarding way to make money. Services like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with trustworthy caregivers. You can set your rates and availability, making it a flexible option. Plus, spending time with pets can be a stress-relieving and enjoyable experience. Consider offering additional services such as grooming, training, or pet photography to increase your earnings. Number 5, participating in online focus groups. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions to improve their products and services. By joining online focus groups, you can get paid for sharing your thoughts. Websites like Respondent, User Interviews, and focusgroup.com offer opportunities to participate in market research studies, often paying $50 to $200 per session. Signing up for multiple platforms can provide a steady stream of opportunities and income. Number 6, renting out your car. If you have a car that you don't use all the time, consider renting it out through services like Turo or GetAround. These platforms allow you to list your vehicle for short-term rentals. It's a great way to make extra cash without having to part with your car permanently. To ensure your car is always in demand, maintain it well and offer flexible rental terms. Number 7, freelance gigs in uncommon niches. While freelance writing and graphic design are popular, there are many other niches with less competition. For example, voiceover work, transcription services, and virtual bookkeeping are in demand. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can help you find clients in these specialized areas. Building a strong portfolio and gathering positive reviews can help you stand out and attract more clients. Number 8, selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products can be a passive income goldmine. Ebooks, printables, and templates are popular digital items that require a one-time effort to create but can be sold repeatedly. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and start selling. To increase your sales, consider bundling products or offering limited time discounts. Number 9, mystery shopping. Get paid to shop and dine out by becoming a mystery shopper. Companies hire mystery shoppers to evaluate their customer service and product quality. Websites like MarketForce and Bestmark connect you with assignments in your area. While it won't make you rich, it's a fun way to earn extra cash and get reimbursed for your purchases. By consistently delivering detailed and accurate reports, you can secure more frequent and higher paying assignments. Number 10, renting out your gear. Do you own equipment that's collecting dust? From cameras and drones to camping gear and power tools, there's a market for renting out your items. Websites like Fat Llama and ShareGrid allow you to list your gear for rent, providing a source of income without having to sell your belongings. Offering excellent customer service and maintaining your equipment in top condition will help you attract repeat customers. Number 11, house sitting. House sitting is an excellent way to make money, especially if you enjoy traveling. Homeowners often need trustworthy individuals to look after their homes and pets while they're away. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and HouseSitter.com connect you with house sitting opportunities, allowing you to earn money while exploring new places. To increase your chances of getting hired, build a strong profile with positive reviews and references. Number 12, offering virtual assistant services. With the rise of remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has increased. As a virtual assistant, you can offer services like email management, social media scheduling, and administrative support. Platforms like Belay, Time Etc., and virtual assistant jobs can help you find clients. Specializing in a particular industry or service can help you stand out and command higher rates. Number 13, translating and interpreting. If you're fluent in more than one language, consider offering translation or interpretation services. There's a growing demand for bilingual individuals to translate documents, websites, and videos, as well as to provide real-time interpretation. Websites like ProZ and Translators Cave can connect you with clients seeking language services. To build your reputation, start with smaller projects and gradually take on more complex assignments. Number 14, testing websites and apps. User experience is crucial for businesses, and they often pay for feedback on their websites and apps. By signing up with platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and Testing Time, you can get paid to test and review digital products. It's a simple way to make money from the comfort of your home. Providing detailed and constructive feedback will increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. Number 15, creating and selling art. If you're artistically inclined, selling your art can be a fulfilling way to make money. Whether it's painting, drawing, photography, or digital art, there's a market for your creations. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 allow you to reach a global audience and sell your art in various formats. To increase visibility, engage with your audience on social media and participate in art fairs or exhibitions. Number 16, becoming a notary public. A notary public witnesses and authenticates signatures on legal documents. Becoming a notary requires some training and certification, but it can be a lucrative side gig. Notaries charge per signature, and the demand for notary services is steady, especially for real estate transactions and legal paperwork. offering mobile notary services can help you reach more clients and increase your income. Number 17, participating in online surveys. While online surveys won't make you rich, they can provide a steady stream of extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research pay you for sharing your opinions on various topics. It's a simple and flexible way to earn money in your spare time. To maximize earnings, sign up for multiple survey sites and complete surveys regularly. Number 18, selling handmade crafts. If you enjoy crafting, turn your hobby into a source of income by selling handmade items. From jewelry and candles to knitwear and pottery, handmade crafts are always in demand. Platforms like Etsy, Handmade at Amazon, and local craft fairs are great places to showcase and sell your creations. Offering custom orders or unique designs can help you stand out from the competition. Number 19, tutoring online. With the increasing demand for online education, tutoring can be a profitable side hustle. Whether you specialize in academic subjects, test preparation, or music lessons, there's a need for tutors. Websites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Wyzont connect you with students seeking personalized learning experiences. Creating engaging and interactive lessons can help you build a loyal student base. Exploring these underrated ways to make money can provide you with new opportunities to boost your income. Whether you have a skill to share, an asset to rent, or simply some spare time, there's a money-making method that suits your lifestyle. By thinking outside the box and leveraging these unique ideas, you can create multiple streams of income and achieve greater financial stability.